Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here I'm just going to get to it. So this is the first sketch of the day and I'm really happy how it's turned out. I didn't think I would actually capture this in the first sketch, especially the fact that it's the first sketch of the day and my hand sometimes needs a little bit of warming up time, but yet so being able to capture it quite quickly or without a warm-up, so that means that you're able to see it and you've had enough time to gain more skills and more practice time, and you can evaluate what needs to get basically what the proportions are and what needs to get done, if that makes sense. That probably doesn't make sense, so I apologise. So I utilised geometric and observational today. I have gone back to incorporating geometric into my sketching. Yesterday I was purely observational, but I have, as I said, put geometric in it as well, purely because I think I gain more better results. So each one, this one took 3 minutes and 20 seconds, this was 3 minutes, and this was 2 minutes 45. I have reduced my sketching time. It was originally 4 minutes. Now it's, as I said, hovering around between 2.5 to just over 3 minutes. I want to get it down to 1.5 minutes eventually, but I'm getting there. So number one, as I said, is the closest to the original reference. However, the feedback I'm giving myself in each of these sketches is just so that I can actually improve upon them for future reference. So the nose should be slightly wider over to the left, but that's really it for my feedback for this one, because I was really happy with it. I have been gaining more a lot quicker in the sketching. I can actually, and the lines that I put down are the lines that I will remain on the paper. I don't rub anything out, so that's how I'm gaining more effective time and effective sketching. So let me know what you think, and please contact me if you don't understand any of the terms I'm using, or you just want to start a wee bit of a chat about art. And yeah, thanks guys, and I shall see you next time. Bye.